Hi, today I'm going to show you how you can use WeTransfer to send files. So for example here, I want to send a file of an image. I just uploaded an image of the Instagram logo, right? And if you have a free version, there's about 2 gigabytes. You get 2 gigabytes of free transfer limit, right? And I want to email this to one of my alts. So let me put in my alts email, 483@gmail.com. So something like this, right? And my current email, so the recipient know I'm gonna put in my current email. So this, of course, when you actually use this to transfer your file, put in your actual email and the email of the recipient that you want to send it to. You can also put in the title, right? You can also add in a message if you'd like. So the message is like, hey, this is the logo you requested, like this. You can also do this, right? You can see send email or create a link, things like this. You can also request payment or appearance as well. You can also set when it expires, so the price. But if you see a Thunderbolt here, it means you need to upgrade, right? So it's not free. But once you've configured everything, just click on transfer. There you go. Now there is a verified account that you need to do first, right? So just go to your current email. Let me do this real quick. You can see here, I've already punched in my code. Now you'll see the transferring progress is on progress. And once it's done, your file will be transferred. There you go. You're done. And it's done like this. If you like this video, please consider liking and subscribing.